Welcome back, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be using the foam sponge for the first time to do some curls in my hair, and I'm going to be trying the bigger parts. I'm naming it side A and then I'm naming the smaller holes side B. Okay, but before I started, I used my chibe infused water to hydrate my hair so that I'll be able to comb it. At the same time, it is also providing nourishment to my hair, and you can clearly tell how I am using my hands to go through my hair and detangling my hair as much as possible, and then also giving my scalp some massages. Okay, the massages allow blood to circulate throughout my scalp, and then it aids in hair growth, in case you do not know. So give your hair some massages or your scalp some massages. And then when I was done, I used my afro comb to comb it upwards so that I'll be able to get the best out of the style as much as possible. So what I'm going to do is to start using side A first, okay, and then before we move on to side B. And I'm going to be using side A at the left side. Is it my left or my right? Hold on. Yeah, it's my right. So I'm using side A as my right, and I'm just going in circular motions in clockwise direction, and I'm just using a small mirror because the bigger mirror I wasn't seeing my other side. So yeah, so when I was done, this is how it was looking like. It's not bad, right? But I don't like the holes. Like, the holes are a lot. I say they are sparse. So let's try the second part, and then we'll see what it will also give. And I'm doing it at my left side, the same rotation or circular movement. I think this one is in anti-clockwise direction. So eventually this also gave a lot of like bigger holes, but this one looks more like pressed, okay. And then the side A also looks more like some sparks, you understand. So side B gives something like a pressed, like it's more pressed, and then side A gives something like a spark. It doesn't really give a lot of differences. I was contemplating to do whether I was going to do side A or side B. I was like, well, let me just go for side A after all, because the difference is not that much. The difference is not that much at all. So I went ahead and did side A. But I want to know your thoughts. Did you see any difference? Are you able to spot the difference? When I posted it on my TikTok, people said they didn't really see any difference. Some said they can just see a slight difference. And I think I agree, because there was not a lot of differences. So I mean, when I was done, I just used my tail comb to pie my boy to draw some line. Yeah, I didn't use any gel, because the only time I want to be using gel in my hair is when I want my hair to be slicked down. Okay, so that's why I didn't use any gel, and you can still tell that it came out pretty well. So yeah, that's just for today. I hope you are well, and I wish you all the best. Love ya. See you next time. Bye.